In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink and relink OneDrive to solve sync problems with Microsoft 5 minutes. If your files are stuck, not updating, or you're seeing persistent sync errors, a quick unlink and relink can refresh the connection between your computer and OneDrive without deleting your files. Your documents remain on your computer and in the cloud. You're simply disconnecting and reconnecting the account so sync can restart cleanly. Start by opening the OneDrive menu from your taskbar. This is the small cloud icon near your system clock. From there, open Help and Settings, which is the gear icon in the corner of the OneDrive window. This menu gives you access to the controls we need to reset the connection. Choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. This tab shows which account is currently connected and gives options for managing that connection. Before proceeding, make sure any important changes in your local OneDrive folder have finished saving, especially if you were working offline earlier. Unlinking won't remove your local files, but pausing until edits are saved helps avoid confusion. Click Unlink this PC. A confirmation will appear to make sure you intend to disconnect OneDrive from this computer. Confirm by selecting Unlink Account. At this point, OneDrive signs out on your device and stops syncing. Your OneDrive folder remains on your computer and your files are still available locally and online. Right after unlinking, OneDrive will prompt you to sign in again. This is the relink that reestablishes the sync relationship. When you see the sign-in prompt, select Sign In and enter your account credentials. Use the same account you were using previously, so OneDrive can reconnect to the same cloud storage. If you're on a work or school device, you may be asked to satisfy security requirements such as multi-factor verification. Follow those prompts as they appear. Once signed in, OneDrive will reconnect and begin verifying your folders and files. Depending on how many files you have and your network speed, this may take a little time. You should see the cloud icon return to a normal state, and the status indicators on your files should start updating. Give it a minute to settle, then open the OneDrive menu to confirm that you see syncing or up to date. That's it. By unlinking and then signing back in, you've refreshed OneDrive's connection and resolved many common sync issues without touching your files. If problems persist, double check your storage space and network connection, and then revisit OneDrive settings for additional diagnostics.